Hey guys, welcome to another video by Simplilearn. Now I'm sure you heard of phrases like front-end development. It is basically the development of the front end of the application. Now it defines how the application appears to the user. In making a robust, interactive and attractive user interface, a lot goes behind the scenes. You guessed it right. Front-end languages and frameworks play a significant role in app development. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about top 5 front-end frameworks that are widely used by developers across the globe for app development. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. So now let's begin by understanding what front-end development is. So let's take the example of Instagram. Now every time you refresh the page, new images and stories are loaded. That is because the HTML requests are made by the server to fetch new data and load them. Now this is facilitated by the backend of the application. Together, front-end, backend and the database form full stack development. So front-end, as mentioned earlier, is the part of web development that defines how the user interacts with the application. Now this includes styling, graphics, alignment, navigation, etc. A front-end developer strives to make the user experience as frictionless as possible. Front-end development's main aims are responsiveness and performance. So moving on, let's look at the front-end languages. Now there are 3 major languages in front-end development, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now Hypertext Markup Language, abbreviated as HTML, is a markup language. It's a programming language that's used to make websites and web apps. Now it includes format text like titles, headings. It allows the user to arrange his graphics and also add links to different pages within the website. Talking about CSS, now CSS or Cascading Style Sheets is a design language that simplifies making web pages presentable. Right? Now it provides selectors that are used to pick elements and then you can apply styling on them, be it font, space, size, etc. Lastly, we have JavaScript, and this is a robust client-side programming language and it is open source. Now, it is mainly used to enhance the interaction of a user with the web page. Right? JavaScript is widely used for games and mobile applications. Now, let's look at the top 5 front-end frameworks. First up, we have React. Then we're going to talk about Angular. Then there's Vue, there's jQuery, and finally we have Ember.js. So let's begin and learn about them one by one. Talking about React.js. Now React is an open source front-end JavaScript library. Now it is responsible for the Vue part of the application. It is maintained by Facebook and an open source developer community. Now React uses something called as the virtual DOM to fill in data in the HTML DOM. This allows faster and quick responsiveness. Now a React application consists of several components that output a small piece of HTML that is visible to the user. And lastly, the most important feature is the fact that React uses a language called JSX, which is a hybrid of JavaScript and HTML. React also goes beyond simple UI and has many extensions like Flux and React Native for complete application architecture support. Moving on, let's look at Angular. Now, Angular is also an open source JavaScript framework based on TypeScript. Now, it is primarily used to develop single page applications. It is maintained by Google and is completely written in TypeScript. It uses HTML syntax to express applications' components clearly. And finally, it is designed for web, mobile, and desktop platforms. As a framework, Angular offers apparent advantages and it also provides a standard structure for developers in a team to work with. It allows users to create huge applications that are easy to manage. Moving on, let's talk about Vue. Now, developed by Evan You, an ex-Google employee, Vue is also an open source JavaScript framework. It is again used to develop interfaces and single-page applications. Vue is focused on the view part of the model view controller framework, and Vue uses something called as a reactive two-way binding. This ensures that based on the input type, it chooses the best method for updating the element. And just like React, Vue uses virtual DOM as an adopted concept of React. Vue updates any altered HTML and does not update the entire tree. This ensures faster and bug-free performance. Now let's talk about jQuery. Now jQuery is a trendy leading JavaScript framework and application development platform. It is leaner, faster loading, and comes loaded with features that make the life of a JavaScript application developer much more accessible. Now it is used to manipulate CSS and document object model. Now one of the important features is that it allows functionality and interactivity of a website and also facilitates dynamic content. It is used more and more to be the foundation and primary driving force of web development and application development from desktops to tablets and smartphones. And lastly, let's talk about Ember.js. Now Ember is again an open source free JavaScript client-side framework. Now it comes with a built-in environment. So Ember CLI is the backbone of modern Ember apps. It provides code generators to create new entities and putting the necessary files in the right place. Ember apps come with a built-in development environment with fast rebuilds, auto reload, and a test runner. Now Ember's built-in router is a best-in-class solution that incorporates async data loading with dynamic URL segments and query parameters. The Ember router seamlessly supports nested URLs with incremental data fetching, nested loading, and error substates. Now Ember Data allows you to access data across multiple sources at once, set up asynchronous relationships, and keep models up to date across your app. Ember apps support 3 levels of testing that are handy for testing everything from individual components to acceptable tests that can boot your whole application and interact with it to verify everything is working correctly. Ember is built on Glimmer rendering, which is one of the fastest rendering technologies in the market today. So these were some of the features of the front-end frameworks used for web development. Now you must be wondering, how can Simplilearn help you? So don't worry, I've got you covered. You can check out our Simplilearn website and click on the course that you want to learn. For example, if you look for MainStack, you have various master's program, you have a postgraduate program, and you have certain courses. We also offer articles and courses and video lessons. So if you wish to take up a particular program, you can click on it and check out the overview of the program. And if it suits your requirements, you can go ahead and enroll for it. So with that, we come to the end of this session. I hope this short video on the top 5 front-end frameworks helped you. If you have any doubts or queries, let us know in the comment section below. We'll get back to you immediately. We'll be back with more videos soon. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.